Okay, back at Canyon Views. This is Lennar's next gen, the Revolution plan. So the next gen floor plans have a main house with a guest house that's connected. There's a nice bedroom in the front with a closet. There's a second bedroom in the front and a bathroom in between. Back to the front.
Wide enough space.
This is the garage, right?
Yes.
This would be the garage. And then they would have their own entrance to here, which we're going to go back to, but this is the rest of that main living space in the main home. So the main home is 1,753 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and then the guest suite is 771 square feet with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a living space, and its own kitchen. This is great for people that have in-laws, returning children, elder parents,
or anything that they need.
any reason. Maybe you want to have a cash flow income stream on the other side.
That's the master bedroom.
This would be the master bedroom.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Master bath. And this is the upgrading floor.
And then, yes, so this home is all upgraded. So the last model we went through was mostly a standard, and then this one they did the upgrades to kitchen, bathroom, flooring. Mm-hmm. Hello, Kathleen. And then so I'm going to go into the next gen side of it, and then that's a wrap because Alicia's got to leave. And
So let me get rid of this first. Because I don't need your video.
I'm going to chase away some women.
Yeah.
Here we
Come on. Yeah.
Come on, Mom. They're doing a video.
Yep, here we go.
Here we go.
These ladies love this home, right?
Yes.
You see yourself living in there?
So much. It's amazing.
It's beautiful. Great. All right, and so this would be the door to the garage.
Yes.
Come in, there's its own laundry right here.
A full-size kitchen.
A bathroom straight ahead. So if you got to go to the bathroom, you run in. It's a beautiful thing.
Full-size kitchen with a
Full
stove and microwave.
Alicia's really pushing me here. She's like, let's get it moving. Full-size kitchen. Once again, that Frigidaire gallery is on this side. So you do have the option of choosing upgrades per side.
A package, yes.
A package per side. So you wouldn't necessarily be tied into the upgraded package throughout the home. Unless, well, I'm not going to make a joke. This is the master over here. This is the 1 bedroom over here. So nice size bedroom, nice size closet. I'm going to call this 14 by 13. This is, hey, I'll live on this side.
Look at the views.
Look at the views. Those are the white tanks. That would be going up north. That's going down south. Little patio area. And so it's got its own entrance as well. This is a Lennar next gen up at Canyon Views. This is the Revolution floor plan. Andrew Texidor with Homesmart. And every week I'm getting updated lists on what's quick moving and updated inventory, lot releases, lender incentives, builder incentives, and
anything you could possibly want.
Alicia's a doll to work with. Hey, Kurt, signing out. Thanks for spending a couple minutes.